Good morning, everybody. Here we go. Let's go ahead and get started by doing our phonics warm-up. Here we go. Open syllable, E. Bull, J. Now, let's look at this one. This one, if you notice, the background color is yellow, which means this is going to be a vowel sound. Let's look at our picture to help us. What is this person doing? Cry. So we have the I sound. Okay, so when we see the Y that's on a yellow card, that means the vowel sound I. Ink. Z. U, consonant E says you. R. Ang. Sk. A. Full. Sk. G. I, or it can be open. Our open syllable I says I. Unk. J. K. A. Ong. O, consonant E says O. J. Ank. Open syllable, U. Ing. B. I, consonant E says I. Qu. Onk. E. K. F. E, consonant E says E. V. St. S. A. O. D. Pull. Ch. A. A. X. S. Ung. A, consonant E says A. K. Sm. J. E. Ch. Good job. All right, let's practice some of our sounds. So I'm going to say the sound and you're going to write the letter that makes that sound, all right? Here we go. Our first sound is sp. 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 S. P says sp. H says h. Good job. Ung. Ung. U-N-G says ung. Here we go. 5 sounds. 5 sounds. We forgot some of them on our checklist assessment. J. 5 sounds that make the J. There's 5 letter combinations that make that J sound. All right. Here we go. Our first one is J. J says J. Okay. Second one, G-E says J. Right? Third one, defender D. D-G-E says J. And then we have those last two, G-I, G-Y. So G-I and G-Y are less common, but they still happen, okay? All right, here we go. Our next word, our next sound, bull. Bull. B. L says bull. Good job. Qu. Qu. Q. U says qu. Oh, we know. We know. 3 ways to make this sound. I. We know. I, consonant E says I. Open syllable I. So just an I by itself. And yesterday we learned another way to make I sound. Y says I. Good job. Last one. Th. Th. Here we go. T. H says th. Good job. All right. Here we go. Let's move on to our silly words. Here we go. I see a G, and in my brain, I want to go G, but I'm not going to because I also see an I behind it. So I have, instead of a hard G, G, this I, remember, gentle Cindy, it's going to make it say J. So we have J, E, M, P, jimp. Good job. Jimp. Here we go. Sp, ung, spung. Ooh. Qu, is, quiz. Good job. We have adj. And I know that it's an A because I see defender D. Adj, hadge. Good job. Ooh, look. One syllable because we only hear one. There are no other vowels, so our Y has to act as the vowel. Ch, I, chai. Very good. All right, let's practice our vowel sounds. All right, here we go. The word is hag. Hag. A says ah. Good job. Pled. Pled. E says eh. Very good. Not. Not. O says ah. Very good. Plug. Plug. U says ah. All right, here's our last one. Bit. Bit. I says eh. Very good. All right, let's review. Remember, we're not going to do the whole thing anymore. We're just going to do the ones that are most recent ones. So we start off with our welded sounds. N-K, N-G, nk, ng. Okay, when we add our vowels, we have ing and nk. We have ank and ang. We have onk and ong. We have unk and ung. Okay, good job. Oh, my nose is itching. All right, here we go. We've also talked about gentle Cindy. We just read a lot of words today with gentle Cindy's rule, right? So gentle Cindy makes C and G say their soft sounds, S and J, when they're followed by an E, an I, or a Y. Okay? Then we know that if it's at the J sound, only works with the J sound. If it's at the end of a word, we know that the words in the English language do not end with the J. So we know that we're either going to use GE or DGE because if we use a DGE, it's with a short vowel. We have also talked about vowel teams. So EE and EA both say E. Last week we talked about AI and AY, and both of them say A. Good job. We're going to continue talking about our chameleon Y and also a new vowel team today. So go ahead and grab your phonics notebook and watch video number 2 for our phonics lesson for today.